When you wake up early, you can start your day with peace and happiness and with a relaxed state of mind, without any kind of rush. When you start your day with peace and happiness, you carry the same vibes throughout the day, and you are better equipped to handle your day. When we wake up late, we tend to rush, and being in a rush in the morning time is a not-so-productive way to start your day. When sunlight hits our eyes, the pineal gland in our body is activated, which is also referred to as the third eye. With this activation, you can manifest and achieve your dreams close to your heart. Now, those of you who want your dreams and aspirations to come true, start waking up early and watch sunrise. When you do this, your energies start to vibrate at a higher frequency, and you attract the right things, the right people, and the right opportunities. Miraculous coincidences come your way. It can be a very powerful practice in transforming your life. Observing sunrise will increase our immune system, raise positivity, reduce depression, and will increase productivity.